What's up, everybody? Thanks for joining me. Today we're going to talk about my Model 3. It's a Model 3 Performance. I got it at the end of 2019. It's a 2020 model year. It's actually what got me to transition the company from ICE cars and motorsports into the Tesla and EV market. So, you know, I got my Model Y. I was considering selling my Model 3. And then the prices dropped and fluctuated. And with only 19,000 miles on it, I just can't sell it. It's just not worth it. They're not gonna give me enough money for it. So I figured I should refresh the car, update it, you know, renew the look of it after so many years. And so our buddies at Adro have actually come out with a new kit. It's their V2 kit. So they do have a pre-preg carbon kit, but they came out with the V2 kit that's a bit more affordable, and that is what they have sent me. So I haven't even opened it yet. I'm gonna unwrap it in front of you guys and see it for the first time in person. So let's go check it out. All right, this must be the front lip, rear diffuser, side skirts, rear wing spoiler, all the way on the other end of the box, camera cover. Now this will only work up until I think the 2020 model year. It won't work on the 2021 pluses. I guess the camera housings or something change shape. So keep that in mind. We will show that on the website as well. So let's get to unwrapping. Hardware, I presume. Look at this weave. So look at all the crevices. I'm trying to look for a seam here. Look at this here. Look how it just follows. This is clean. This is really clean. There you go, guys, Adro. Amazing quality. I was really impressed by it actually, so hopefully you guys can see some of it close up with our B-roll. We got all this stuff on the website, so if you guys want it, hit us up. We'll check stock for you. We'll get it shipped out. If you guys enjoy our videos, please like, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to hit that notifications bell so you guys can get notified when we release our newest videos. And again, thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you on the next one.